What does self-targeting mean in Amazon PPC and how do you use it to boost ranking? We are going to advertise our own listings on our own listing. Why? Because if we're not going to do that, someone else will. When it comes down to showcasing your product on other listings, that is also something that our competitors are doing to our own listings. So they are going to showcase their products on our listing. This self-targeting strategy means you are going to showcase your own products so you can upsell, or maybe someone clicked on your listing, it is a lemon flavor and they would like orange flavor, and you also have the orange flavor. So what you can do on your end, you can add also the orange flavor to target that lemon flavor product. That way, if they want to choose the orange flavor, no matter what they are going to do, if they're clicking within the listings and seeing what else is showcasing on the product detail page, at least our listing is going to show up. Also, this strategy proves to be one of the protect strategies why we want to showcase our own ASINs on our own detail page to avoid someone else showcasing their listings. It's kind of a debate when it comes down to Amazon PPC Advisor. Some people are saying that, hey, you should not be paying for your own brand name or advertising your own products because that is just going to be way too expensive and you don't see positive results on it. Let me tell you that from our end, what we're seeing, that is not the case. I would highly advise you, if you want to try out the self-targeting method, which basically you're going to add your own products within a campaign that you're creating, let me know what you see on your end. So far on our end, we're always showcasing our products and that helps the brand. So it really comes down to, hey, do you see any difference between if you're not going to target anymore your brand name or your own ASINs? We have not seen anything significantly higher or better than if we're not going to apply this strategy.